Take manifold off of my F-250 1988. This is off of 351 Windsor, and one of these flanges that it bolts onto the intake manifold is cracked. Looks like it's been like that for a while. It didn't just happen, so I just figured that out. But this is what it looks like once you get it off there. I'm gonna take a look inside the engine, not inside the engine, but inside the engine bay, and see what it should look like when you guys are done taking that off. This is the top of the intake manifold right here. You got your injectors, 1, 2, 3, and 4 back here. Sorry, this thing's dirty as hell, but I'm trying to move some of the stuff out of the way. And these are your other injectors here. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 back there. This is the fuel rail. We're gonna remove that and see what we got going on after that. So I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. There was a bracket right here that I had to remove from the intake manifold. Your guys' truck will probably have the same thing. I think it was like a 14 millimeter. I don't know what the metric or the standard conversion is for that, but I ended up using a millimeter socket. So on to the next video.